Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what I'm making today. This challenge is a cake mix cookie fall recipe challenge. We get to make cookies using a cake mix, and I have a good one. It's hosted by Ingrid of the Ingrid Chronicles. Her channel has all kinds of different stuff. She cooks, she does DIYs, hauls, she talks about her home life. I highly recommend her channel. Go check it out. And I also recommend the playlist. Be sure and check it out and see what everyone has made. I will have everything listed in the description box down below. So let's get started. I'm using a stick of softened butter, and I just use salted butter. And to that I'm adding a block of cream cheese, 8 ounces, and it's also been softened. I just left my butter and my cream cheese on the counter overnight so that it'd be ready to go. And to this I'm adding 1 beaten egg and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now you just want to beat this until it's creamy and fluffy. Now I'm getting my cake mix ready to pour in, and I am using a butter pecan cake mix because I figure fall, butter pecan, it kind of goes together. Now after letting my cream cheese and butter mixture beat, and I scraped down my bowl once in between, I'm now scraping it down again, and I'm going to add my cake mix, and I just want to mix it until everything is combined. You don't want to overmix. Now that everything's combined, I'm just going to scrape down my beater, and I'm just going to stir around any extra cake mix that may have stuck to the side, and I'm going to cover it with some cling wrap and put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now that my 30 minutes has passed, I've taken it out of the refrigerator, and by the scoopful, I'm going to drop it into some powdered sugar and roll it into a ball. And it just takes a gentle touch with this. I just barely touch it, and the dough is real soft, and I just roll out everything and get ready to bake it. And my oven's preheating at 350 degrees, and you want to bake it for about 12 to 14 minutes, it says. And I did 12 on the first pan, and I did 11 on the next 2 pans, and they were all turned out really good. You just want it a little golden brown. Now I got a little over 2.5 dozen cookies from this recipe, and it's just so soft and moist and delicious. Well, here they all are. Isn't this a pretty sight? Something about cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. What is your favorite kind of cookie? Thank you, Ingrid, for hosting this challenge. I had a lot of fun. Be sure and check out her channel as well as the playlist. It's in my description box. And until next time, bye y'all.